Welcome back to the Paint Hustle, and today it's time to check out the new project. It's a 1976 DAF 46 Superlux in green. It's a super rare car. It was only produced for like 2 years, and there's apparently only 3 tax on the roads in the UK. It's got variomatic transmission, which means you can go as fast in reverse as you can going forward. Check them out in action. Crazy, right? Although mine looks like it was involved in that race, it wasn't. So let's take a look at what needs doing. So let's have a look around it, see what needs doing. Can we do all the work? It's definitely going to need a full respray. So the body's not too bad. There's little bits of rust all over like this kind of stuff. So that'll all need to be grounded down and rust treated. Wheels need tidying up. There's underneath a couple of little holes like this, but nothing crazy. It's never been wax oiled, but I'll get all the welding done. This wing's not too bad. Again, just some more rust. Now this wing, this ain't looking good. So I have got another piece for a wing, but it doesn't look like the right wing. So maybe I can make it work somehow, but obviously that's all the rust needs to be cut out and the other part needs to be welded in. Again, down this corner it's looking a little bit rusty, but apart from those bits, I'm looking on the positive, it's not looking too crazy. Now let's have a look in here. So let's have a look at this. All that's solid. We've got the spare wheel. Yep. So welding, full respray so far. Now, a little quiz for you. Have you noticed there's no fuel cap? So put your answer in the comments where the fuel goes in. Not at this side. Where could it be? Alright, put your comment now. And I will tell you in about 1 minute's time. Let's just look at the interior. Yo, this ain't looking much better. But good news is, when I got the car, it came with, well, new second-hand seats, which are a lot better than this. So we'll get them fitted. The carpets, we'll give them a bit of a clean up. So I'm not too worried about the interior. And for the fuel cap, are you ready? I will tell you where it is. James Bond style. Ta-da! It only took me about 3 hours to find that before, but now we know where that is. We're all good. So I think the next thing is, let's see if it starts. By the way, because this is the top model, the creme de la creme, it comes with this beautiful walnut dash. Now, I don't know what else it comes with, but I just know it comes with that, so that's a bonus. But before I start it, shall we just have a quick look at the engine? Let's check that out. See what needs doing on that. So this is the engine. It is 840cc, or 844 maybe. It's kicking out a lot of power. I'm joking, it'll probably do about 50-60 mile an hour, but you tell me, what is wrong with this engine? There's probably a lot wrong with it. Let's have a look around the other side, because I have noticed something. Now, I ain't a mechanic, but I don't think you're meant to have a hole just there. So I think that's like, it could be maybe some pipe for the cabin heating or something like that. And there's a little bit of a crack here, and it looks a bit rusty, but it is a 1976, and I don't think it's ever had really anything done with it. So we'll get it tidied up though, we'll get it tuned and make sure she's running good. And do you want a little quick look underneath? Let's see, because I've not even properly looked. Let me see, can you see? It's never been wax oiled. To be fair, it looks pretty solid, apart from those little holes and things we saw earlier. Let's have a look. It's hard to show you here, but oh, I have noticed there's some silver foil there, so that looks like a bit of a bodge job, but you're going to find this. So, now for the important bit. Let's see if she starts. Right, the moment of truth. Will this 1976 DAF 46 start? Before we do it, have you seen the little gear stick there? It's pretty much like a Tesla, this. It's got forward for drive, neutral, and then reverse, and that's it. Let's have a look. 52k miles on the clock. Has it been round twice? Who knows? But let's put the key in and let's find out. Will she start? Can I even get the key in? The key's in. And I'm going to put it in drive, actually. Foot on the brake. Are you ready? Oh, a little bit of a pop. Come on, baby. And she's going. It's crazy, man. I mean, they're a bit of a pop when I started her, and I'm sure she'll need a good service. But I'm just going to drive her forward a little bit. The windscreen's really dirty because of all the trees, sir. But let's see if she moves. Oh no. Oh no, we're still going. Oh, and we're moving. What a car this is. Oh, the only issue is, for some reason, I can't put it into reverse right now. So let me just see if I can turn it off and put it into reverse. Right, we're in reverse. It's a bit annoying if you've got to do this every time. And we're still in neutral. Oh my Jesus. Oh my God. Yeah, you can't change gear when the car's on. I'm having a nightmare here. We're definitely in reverse this time. And she goes backwards too. But does anybody know why you can't change gear when it's still when the engine's on? Because if you've got to turn the engine off every time you want to change gear, that's not ideal. I don't know how these DAFs work, but I'm sure it's something we can sort out. But the main thing is, it starts, it runs. What more do you want? I mean, what did it cost? 550 quid. You can't ask for much more. So that is the tour of the DAF 46. Let me turn her off now before she blows up. Might just cut out actually. Let me just see if it'll keep running. Yeah, also it just cuts out. So maybe it needs like a good carb clean. And that might solve the issue with that. So, but at least, you know, she goes forward, she goes backwards, and she starts. So what do you think? Have I bought a lemon, or is it going to be worth it? I think we can repair her and make her look good again. I've got to, there's only a few of these left on the road, so I really want to make this one look good again. Hope you enjoyed this walk around video of the DAF 46. Lots of work to do, so like and subscribe to follow the journey, and we will be reverse racing in no time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vid.